before you start generating traffic to your online business. You need a method of capturing the name and email address of people who visit your website. Some people call this a squeeze page or landing page. It is simply the place where your traffic first arrives when you attract them to your website. The page allows your leads to join your email list by filling in a short form. It is essential you do not request too much information at this very early stage, as it could put them off and they will leave. At this stage, it would be enough to ask them for a name and an email address, which they will confirm, or just their email address, which will be captured by a short form and added to your database. It is also very important that the look and content of the landing page exactly matches the advertising that attracted the traffic in the first place. There must be consistency of colors, images, and branding so that people develop trust and do not feel like they have been diverted to a different website. A phrase you will hear a lot is, "The money is in the list." You will find that the primary advice when creating an online business is that you must build a list of interested and responsive people if you hope to have a sustainable online business. Your email list is your online business's most valuable asset. Some say it is worth an average of €1, $1, or pound per subscriber, per month, if you have a properly structured marketing system. I recommend you take a free trial of GetResponse. You will find a link on this page, as this is the service that I use myself, and I have found that the service and tools improves every month. You will find a wide range of training and support inside your account, which will help you get the very best out of the facility. Your email list will contain people who could become customers who pay you money for months and years to come. To maintain this level of loyalty, you need to treat each one of them as though they are a close friend or a close relative and care deeply about their needs and wants. You must constantly and consistently maintain a dialogue with your list and fully understand what they need from you. You should also send them free helpful information from time to time. You must not just send them purely sales emails. If you do this effectively, your email list will become more and more loyal and more responsive to buying your products or services. It is important that you know the way to build a relationship with your email list is by regularly giving them free useful content such as tips, training, or how-tos. If you only email sales offers all of the time, people will eventually unsubscribe. Some say you should send 2 useful emails to every 1 sales email, where you could send only helpful information emails with a subtle link to your sales page included once or twice in the text. Remember, the aim is to get people to know, like, and trust you. Now you'll build your understanding of capturing sales leads and autoresponders. Actions to take now. Open a free GetResponse trial account. Read the GetResponse help text and watch the training videos. You will see that this service will help you to fully automate many aspects of your online business and allow it to operate 24 hours a day.